If you've lost access to your Netflix account and need to regain ownership, follow these simple steps to recover it quickly. Step 1. Visit the Netflix login page. Go to the official Netflix website and click on the Sign In button. Step 2. Click on Need Help. On the login page, look for the Need Help link located below the password entry field and click on it to access recovery options. Step 3. Select Recover Your Account. Choose the option to recover your account. You may be prompted to enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access, consider updating your password and reviewing your account settings to ensure your information is secure and up to date. By following these steps, you should be able to regain ownership of your Netflix account quickly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for further assistance.